this video, we are going to learn how to write the hiragana character ke. Ke is 3 strokes. The first stroke begins with the brush pointed up and to the left, bringing it down, curving out to the left, and back in to the right. Bringing the brush back up, making a small point, and lifting your brush, beginning the second stroke as if you were connecting it to the first. The third stroke is slightly off-center to the right of the second stroke, ending the third stroke in about the same place as the beginning of the second stroke.